Hello viewers, welcome to Quick Coder. My name is Tulasi. Today's topic is insertion sort in Java. So let's get started. Okay, today's topic is insertion sort. So insertion sort is also one of the sorting techniques. Let's say for example 29513 of array. This is an array. So in the first iteration, what we usually think is already the 2 is every number itself is already in sorted order. Okay, it is already in ascending order. What we think is already 2 is in ascending order. So let's start from the next element. Let's take key as 9. What we will do, we will compare this 9 with 2. Means let's take this is a room. Let's assume this is the room, and in this room you have to insert the elements in ascending order only. I want to insert this 9 into this room, and it should follow ascending order. As 2 is already less than 9, so we no need to do anything. So what will happen now is 2, 9, 5, 1, 3. Now 2 and 9 are in this row and also follows ascending order. Now let's take key as 5. So now our key is 5. What happens here? My 5 will be checked with 9. Is my 5 is less than 9? Yes, my 5 is less than 9. What happens here is my 9 will be shifted here. Okay, in place of 9, in place of 5, I will write 9 here. And 9 will be here only. Again, that 9 will be here. And now what happens again? My key will be checked with 2. Is my 5 is less than 2? No, it is not less than 2. My loop stops here, and again in place of 9, 5 will be replaced. Okay, so that's the second iteration. So what happens in third iteration is, let's take 25913, and already 259 are in ascending order. What happens here? Now our key is 1. Our key is 1. So 1 will be compared with 9. Is my 1 is less than 9? As 1 is less than 9. So my 9 will be shifted one step forward. Here will be my 9. And again my key will be compared with 1. Is my key is less than 5? Yes, my key is less than 5. What happens here is my 5 will be shifted here one step forward. Here will be 5. And again my key will be checked with 2. Is my 1 is less than 2? Yes, 1 is less than 2. Again this 2 will be inserted here. One step forward. It will move one step forward. And there are no other elements to check. So my 1 will be replaced here. Okay, in place of 2, it will be replaced with 1. And again, what happens in the next iteration is, let's take 1, 2, 5, 9, 3. What happens here? Already 1, 2, 5, 9 are in ascending order. Let's take our keys now 3. Okay, 3 will be checked with 9. Is my 3 is less than 9? Yes, 3 is less than 9. So my 9 will be moved one step forward. Okay, my 9 will come here. And again my key will be checked with 9. Is 3 is less than 5? Sorry, my key will be checked with 5. Is my key is less than 5? Yes, 3 is less than 5. So again 5 will be moved forward. My 5 will be come here. Again my key will be checked with 2. Is my 3 is less than 2? No, it is not less than 2. If 3 is less than 2, if 3 is not less than 2, it obviously 3 will not be less than the previous elements, because this already in sorted order. Now what will happen is, in place of 5, I will replace it with 3. So see, we got an ascending order array. Our array is sorted. So that's the simple insertion sort algorithm. So we usually take the first element is already in ascending order, and takes the every element, and we will we will insert it into this row. Okay, so that is nothing but the insertion sort. So let's start coding now. Okay friends, let's start coding now. We have two functions here, insertion sort and insert. So what we will do in insertion sort is, we will run a loop like for int I is equal to 0. Sorry, from first element, no, already we are assuming that already the 0th element is in ascending order. So we are traversing from first element, and I is less than n is nothing but here length of the array, and I plus plus. And I am always passing this in insertion sort. I mean insert function, my array and my. Okay. So let's come to the insertion sort function now. What we usually do is let's take int key is equal to array of I. Okay, we are assuming that as key, and let's take int j is equal to I minus 1. As we are searching from the previous element, let's take j. J is equal to I minus 1. Let's while is equal to j greater than or equal to 0th element. As we are moving backwards, we should assume, I mean, we should check that whether our j is greater than 0 or not. Greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now, again, we have to check another thing also. We have to check that whether our j is greater than key or not. Okay, only in that condition only we are inserting in area of j plus 1 is equal to area of j and I am decrementing my j now. And at the last, at the place of area of j plus 1, I am inserting my key. So whenever this condition falls, this condition becomes false, it comes out of the loop, while loop, and I will insert at the place of area of j plus 1 is equal to key. So let's compile this code. Okay, 13479. It's compiled. So let's submit. Okay, it's correct answer. Okay, let's trace the code. Okay. Okay, let's take array as 29513 and n is equal to 5. That is nothing but length of the array. And my I my runs from, okay, as I said, my n is nothing but the length of the array, and my I starts from 1 to 4. As I written here, my is equal to, sorry, okay, my is equal to 1 to n. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Let's say first of all, let my I is equal to 1, and I'm passing in my insert function, I am passing array and my I value, that is 1. What is happening in my insert function is nothing but my key will be array of 1. Means first of all, I'm assuming that already 2 is in ascending order. Let's say 9. Now let's write the indexes also so that it will be clear. 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, my array of 1 will be 9. Key is equal to 9, and my j is equal to I minus 1 means 1 minus 0, sorry, 1 minus 1 0. My while loop starts from 0 to, and it is coming back, and always it is checking whether my key is less than this number or not. Here check my j is, so let's check the while loop. J is equal to 0. Is 0 greater than 0? Yes. And my array of j, that is nothing but array of j means 2. Is 2 is greater than 9? No. My while loop stops there and come out of the loop, and my array of j plus 1 will be key. Array of j plus 1 is nothing but j is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. Array of 1 will be key. Key is nothing but 9. Okay, as it is. And again, let's come to the next iteration. Here my 2 and 9 are already in ascending order. Now let's take my I as 2 here, and let's pass this, let's say this is on. Okay, and I pass 2 here. What will be my key? Key is nothing but array of I. What is I here? 2. So that is array of I. Array of 2 means 5. And my j will be 2 minus 1, that is 1. So I'm coming backwards. Is my 5 is less than 9? Yes. Then what I'm doing here, I'm inserting this 9 into here. Means in place of 5, I will get 9. Again, I will check with 2. Is my 5 is less than 2? That is nothing but if my key is less than 2? No. So I will stop here, and my j will be, see here, when the 9 is jumped to here, my j will be decremented by 1. That is array of 0. So what is after coming out of the while loop, array of j plus 1 is nothing but array of 0 plus 1, that is 1. In array of 1, I am placing my key, that is array of 1 is equal to 5. Okay. And again, let's take I is equal to 3. Let's take I is equal to 3. Let's erase this one. Okay. I is equal to 3. What will be my key? Array of 3. Already these 2, 5, 9 are sorted. Array of 3 is nothing but 1. And my j is nothing but 3, I minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, 2. What happens here is my 1 is less than 9, as 1 is less than 9. Now, my 9 will be here only. In place of 1, I will get 9. Okay, again my j will be decremented by 1. And again I will check 1 with, that is key with this array of 1. Is 1 is less than 5, as 1 is less than 5. Again, my 5 will be here only. And again it is coming here at the next step. And my j will be decremented by 1, that is 1 minus 1, 0. And again I will check this key with, that is 1 with array of 0 element, that is 2. Is my 1 is less than 2? Yes. Again 2 comes here. My j will be decremented by minus 1. Okay, so here while loop runs, is my j is greater than or equal to 0? No, because my j becomes minus 1. It comes out of the loop. And what is j plus 1? That is minus 1 plus 1, array of 0. Array of 0 will be my key. That is, in place of 2, I will get 1. Okay, in the next iteration, what happens here is, already this 1 to 5, 9 are sorted. Let's take I as 4 now. Okay, let I is 4 and I'm passing that into insert function. What will be my key? Array of 4, that is 3, and my j will be 4 minus 1, that is 3. Let's check this 3 with the array of 3 element. Is 3 is less than 9? Yes. What happens here is, in place of 3, I will get 9. And my j will be decremented by 1, that is 2. And check this key 3 with array of 2 element, that is array of j element. Is my 3 is less than 5? Yes. So my 5 will be shifted here. My j will be decremented by 1. Again check this 3 with 2. What happens here? My 3 is not less than 2. My while loop stops and array of j plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, 2. In place of array of 2, I will get 3. That is key. In array of 2, I got 3. So after all the iterations, as my I loop over, okay, it comes, so it is returning nothing. Okay, it's void. So my array is sorted 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 9. Okay, so that's it about this insertion sort. Okay friends, so that's it about this video. In this video we discussed about insertion sort. In the next video, in the coming up video is method sort in Java. So let's wait for that. Thank you for watching.